Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Automata and Computability. In this video, we are going to design a NFA where all the strings contain exactly 6 zeros or an odd number of ones. So to do this, we will at first build two individual NFA and then merge those two NFA to create a single NFA. So at first let's build the individual NFA for exactly 6 zeros. So let's have the state A, which is our start state for this part. So you can see that the number of 1 doesn't matter in this case, right? So for that reason we will have a self loop of 1. So let's have a self loop of 1. So A and the self loop of 1. But if we get a 0 from this state A, then that will be our first 0 out of the 6 zeros, right? So for that reason we will move to a new state. So for 0 we will go to state B. So we needed 6 0, we got 1. Okay. So now from state B there will be a self loop of symbol 1 as the number of 1 doesn't matter, but when we got the 0 we will go to a new state, state C, and we got 2 0. So similarly we need 6 0, right? So the third 0, fourth 0, fifth 0, and finally the sixth 0. So when we got the sixth 0 we will go to the final state, which is state Z, right? So state G. So now you can see that we got 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0 and 6 0, right? And as the number of 1 doesn't matter, we will have self loop of 1 for each of these states, right? And now let's design the NFA for odd number of 1's. So to do this, what we need to do, we have to create two states. One is for even one and another is for odd one, right? So this is even one and this is odd one. As we need odd number of 1, so this will be our final state. So this is state H, so this is state H and this is state I. Okay. So as in odd number of 1's the number of 0 doesn't matter, so we will have two self loop of symbol 0 for both state H and state I. So now from even number of 1, if we get another 1, then the number of 1 will be odd. So from state H we will go to state I for 1, and similarly from state I we will come back to state H for 1, as the number of 1 will be even 1 if we get 1 from odd 1, right? So we have already built the two individual NFA. Now we need to merge these two NFA to have our single NFA, right? So for that reason we will need to add a new state. So this is our new state and we will merge this state with the previous two state with epsilon transition, right? So epsilon and there is another epsilon. So that's it. Thank you.